Hi guys, here is a 08 watt motor. You can see from the markings here, it's an 8-inch and a 2x5-inch motor with a solid tire, meaning it's non-inflatable, right? It's a honeycomb shape inside and it's completely sealed. Now, how do you change the tire? And that's what I'm going to show you today. Cut this, right?
Yeah, the old one you cut
Right?
away. Then the new one you just overlap.
And then just use soap and press again,
Yeah.
right?
If better is use the platform. Much easier, or Vaseline also can. You apply inside the one layer first. Like slowly, need to